Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you use the We Are Memory Keepers coil binding set, then you definitely need these We Are Memory Keepers wire cutters. So when I am doing any of my binding, typically I'm not using the full length of my coil wire. So I need to clip, snip, and bend it. And this is the perfect little wire cutting set to do that. I love these because they do have little clippers right here that really easily snip the wire to the location that you need. So I have this little extra piece of coil. I slid it down right to the cutting area, and if I just give it a nice squeeze, and there you go. It's just that easy to cut it. And then you can also use the needle nose feature up here to bend the wire, and I like to do that to make sure that there's no sharp edges or anything hanging off of my binding. This is a little extra piece of wire here, and if I just put it right there in my wire clippers, I am able to just use a little bit and be able to bend it just like that. These have come in really handy and are a great tool to have if you do any type of coil binding with wire coil. They are a great tool, but that's just my point of view.